Hello guys, what's up? I'm Rajesh Singh from SQL Server Hub. Today I will explain master slab configuration on MongoDB 5.0. So basically I will use Ubuntu 20.04 platform for the replication configuration on MongoDB 5.0. So this is the agenda for today. So I already built 3 servers on Microsoft Azure with a Ubuntu 20.04 and I already installed MongoDB 5.0. If you have any doubt to install MongoDB 5.0, so I already recorded one session for the installation of MongoDB 5.0, so you can refer those. So let's begin a demo. So basically I have a 3 system, node 1, node 2 and node 3. So let me open so that I can show you which platform is there. So here are you able to see it's Ubuntu 20.04. It's ready. So in all 3 nodes you got same informations. So let me connect. So for this server IP address end with a 218. So let me open putty and we have to try to connect with a public IP. Let me do it. It's a 162.249. So let me open a node 1. So it's a 249 and you got this same information 249. If you can check second one, node 2. So IP address end with a 123. So you can check this one also 123. Next it's a 218 and with a 218. So let me show this one also 218. Local IP, let me show you. Local IP of this machine, node 1 machine. A static IP is IP configuration. You have to go and double click on IP config. You got it's a 10.0.4. It means, let's suppose I will create a node 1 as a like a primary. You can say it's a master server and will configure node 2 and node 3 as a replica or secondary, you can say. So first node 1, primary node 1 IP address is 10.0.0.4. So I already showed you. So you can see here its IP address is there. So it's a 10.0.4. So basically this is IP address. Same thing, you got this information here in a network. If you click, it's a NIC private IP is 10.0.5 10.0.0.5. let me click third node. So it's a 10.0.6. it means we have 3 nodes. Local IP or you can say private IP start with the 10.0.04. okay, and second one 5 and third one end with a 6. Okay, so let's connect one by one. I already installed MongoDB 5.0. so let me open this. So let me check which version installed here. Mongo hyphen version. So it's a 5.0. Let me check service status. Service MongoDB status. So it's running. So it's a node 1. You can see now. Let me connect another node so that we can proceed one by one. Every configuration. Load this one. Open this. My ID. Azure RAS. Let me enter my password. So let me check same thing. First check Mongo version. It's a 5.0. Let me check service status. Service MongoDB status. Okay, good. So till now we are fine here. Let me connect another node. It's 3. Open. Azure RAS is your login name. And let me enter a password. So now same step we have to repeat here. So let me check MongoDB version. Mongo hyphen version. We got version detail. It's a 5.0. Let me check service MongoDB status. It's running. We are fine till now. So let me connect first primary server. So in primary server we have to change. Let me switch with the root. Okay. Now we have to edit a configuration file, MongoDB configuration. So you already know my IP address. Mainly one space is mandatory here, and node 01 IP address is 10. Let me this I for insert 10.0.0.4 and comment. Let me put this one. So IP address we already bind, and port is a 27017. So MongoDB port. Let me enable a replica set. So just on comment, 2 space required, 1, 2, and you have to provide replica set name. Replica set name colon, and you have to pass replica set name rs. Let me put rs.0 replica set name. So basically replSetName, this word is a case sensitive, so S should be capital and N should be also capital. So let me save, and same step we have to play with all the nodes, 3 nodes. So let me connect now. Second node, bi etc MongoDB. I for insert. You have to pass your IP address, bind your IP address. 1 space is mandatory, 10.0.0.5. Okay, comment this one. And comment application tab. 2 space is mandatory. 1 second repl set. S should be capital. Name N should be capital. And you have to provide replSetName rs.0. Okay. Skip and save. Oh, it only. What is this? Not letting come out without saving. I think we have to switch first root, and then we have to try to edit our configuration file. To insert, same thing, you have to pass your IP address of Which one? Node 2 10.0.0.5. This one. One space, two space, then replSet S should be capital, N should be capital, then have to write rs0. So now this is working. Now you have to connect node 3, node 2, node 3. Same step, switch into the root. Next, we have to edit etc mongo insert pass IP address, basically bind IP address. We have to bind here 10.0.0.6 comment existing IP address. It's the default IP address. Enable replication configuration. Pass double space is mandatory. S should be replSetName, name should be capital. Then one space, then pass rs replicasetName. ReplicasetName should be common from all the 3 nodes. So it's done. Next step, restart SQL service from primary to all replica service. MongoDB restart so that configure values should work. Restart. Let me check what is the status. It's running. It means we are good. Connect node 2 now. Node 2 is here. Service MongoDB restart. Then status, it's running. Kilo, it's everything is fine. Let me connect third node. Service MongoDB restart. Now we have to check the status. Okay, it's working. It means whatever configuration need changes, like IP address along with our application configuration replication. So it's working fine. So let me try to connect a MongoDB with the same IP address. Mongo IP address 10.0.0. Oh, that could work. So it's working. Let me check for other instance. This is node 3. Let me connect node 2 first. Mongo and IP address of node 2 is 10.0.0.5. This is also working fine. Let me connect node 3. Mongo 10.0.0.6. This is also working. So configurations are done. Let me connect node 1. Now we have to initiate replication. So one command is the rs.initiate. Press enter. So it's acting as a secondary. Let me press 1 second enter. You got this server acting as a secondary primary. So basically this server node 1 as a acting as a primary. Let me add other map replica rs.add. Okay, and you have to pass IP address of replica 10.0.0.5. IP replica. Enter. And we have to check connect replica seconds and try to enter. What will happen? This server node 2 become a secondary. Okay, this. Same thing you can try for the node 3, but that will not work. But if you add from the primary side, you got node 3 became a secondary. So let me add rs.add With server 10.0.0.6 is a third node 3. Okay, so it's adding. Now you can try to enter. You create. It's become a secondary. Okay, so our application setup has been configured. So let me test it's working or not. So first you have to connect your primary, so node 1. So this is our node 1. So let me create new databases. Use demo db. Okay, and create one collection. db dot, let me put imply and insert. I want to create a collection with the name of imply. empn colon IP address. Let me put some imply ID. It's a numeric, then no need to enter double quote. It's a string, not a string data type. Let me put another attribute. It's a string data type. I'm putting my name. Let me close curly braces and then we have to close this one. Okay, let me try to add another attribute. I want to add another records value 2. Demo db. Let me add another attribute. It's a salary. Hold on, it's a numeric data type. Then you have no need to pass double quote here. But it's numeric data. Try to enter. It's inserted. So let me check db here in the primary side. So dbs because demo db is there. So let me check now secondary side. It's a secondary. So dbs. Oh, that we know so. So we have to say rs.secondary. Okay, then that will work, and now we can execute. So dbs, we got demo db's replicated. Let me use demo db, and we have to check if any collection is created or not. Okay, so collections. Okay, implies there. Let me db dot imply dot find. Let me enter. We got two record. First is 101, 102. So it's already replicated. Same thing. I want to check on the replica node 2. Same. So dbs. It's not work. Then we have to go rs.secondary. Okay. Type this. And now you have to try show dbs. That will work. Use demo db. So collection, you will get a collection details. Got imply. Select away db dot employee dot find. Let me check all the records. Let me insert one record in primary side so that it's replicating or not. So same command I'm inserting here and just changing the value is 3 and it's a SQL server hub. Let me put some values. Salary, it's 9 and type it. It's inserted. Let me check both secondary side it's replicated or not. SQL server name. Same, we will find you got 3 and SQL server hub it's inserted. Same thing you can test for another one. Now we have 2 records, you get 3 recording here. So it's replicated SQL Server. So replication is working fine. So if any doubt, please write a comment and revert as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.